Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 14 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week at Simons Middle School last week. We had several things ongoing, as you can see from the pictures from the week. And a big shout out and thank you to all of our veterans who visited Simons Middle School, and a shout out to Fleming County High School, who also provided a great Veterans Day program at Simons Middle School students got to experience and enjoy. We do want to remind everyone that next week is Thanksgiving break, and we do not have school at all next week. So this week's going to be a busy week with all of the activities as we are preparing for Thanksgiving break. So on Monday of this week, we will have an admin team meeting at 8. We do have the book fair going on this week, and Mrs. Thompson's classes will visit the book fair on Monday. On Tuesday, Mrs. Bowles' classes will visit the book fair. On Tuesday, staff, we also have a faculty meeting after school in the library beginning at 2:45, and we'll have a vertical team meeting in the auditorium beginning at 3:45. This is also the board meeting at central office beginning at 6:30. On Wednesday, Mrs. Williamson's classes will visit the book fair, and Miss Pam McGlone will be in to visit our JAG program. On Thursday, Miss Ratliff's classes will visit the book fair, and we will have PLCs in our conference room. It is also the training for the Amazing Shake and dinner. So community, I know there are several of you who have been invited. We're going to start that at 5. It will last until approximately 6:30 p.m. and it's going to be at Fleming Mason Energy Auditorium. So please, if you've been invited to attend, you've already SVP'd. Plan to attend that. And parents, if you know other community or if they're community listening and you would like to participate, please let us know by calling Simons Middle School. On Friday, we'll have Kona Ice. It is also going to be the book fair, and it's Bring It Friday. One upcoming event, parents, to keep in mind is the winter formal. The date is the same for this. It is December the 10th, but it will be from 6:30 to 8:30. They are having the holiday hoopla in downtown Flemingsburg on this evening, and there's going to be fireworks, and they'll begin at 6, and then our dance will begin at 6:30. We do want to take a moment today to recognize our student spotlight for this week. Our student spotlight is our FCHS varsity cheerleaders. There are 2 SMS cheerleaders who also participate on the varsity team, and that is JC Robinson and Kaylee Walker. JC has competitively competed in cheer since she was 4 years old. Outside of school, JC plays softball for FC Little League. She competes in the gold level for Jim Nandy's gymnastics team, and she is currently the state champion on bars. She loves to go glamping, and she likes to fish. She also enjoys reading and playing with her baby brother. She attends church and truly loves being outdoors. And JC is a Green Monkey team member here at Simons Middle School. She's also a Cougar Council member. And our other student spotlight for the week is Kaylee Walker. Kaylee is an 8th grade student here at Simons Middle School and a Blue Barracuda team member. She enjoys spending her time cheering, studying, and running. She also enjoys spending time with her family. She is always cheerful and ready to cheer her school on. And I have watched both of these ladies over the course of the last few months grow. And Kaylee more than JC because she's an 8th grader, so I've known her just a little bit longer. And I just want to take a moment and thank you, ladies, for your hard work and dedication. I do believe that this was the regional KHSAA championship or competition that these girls competed in, and Fleming County High School did receive 3rd place. So way to go, ladies. Thank you for always bringing it. Our Achieve 3000 leaderboard for this week. Congratulations on Monday to Caitlin Pollitt, Tuesday Mikey Derman, Wednesday Brianna Cooley, Thursday Andrew Hardy, and Friday Zoe Hagg. Our top scorer for this week was Mikey Derman. And our 2 students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try was in 7th grade Kaya Blankenship with 3, and in 8th grade Brianna Cooley with 5. And this is a look at our Alex leaderboard for this week. As you can see, we still have several of the same students up there, same names, but a few of them are approaching the end of their content area. So way to go, SMS Cougars, especially those of you who are on this Alex leaderboard for math. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.